Vibe coding is amazing until you need to add authentication, a database, or integrate payments. That's exactly the point where most projects start to fall apart. The idea is good, the layout looks nice, but when you add login, Stripe, backend, and deployment, everything turns into a technical mess that consumes a lot of time and energy. Today I'm going to show you an AI agent that promises to solve exactly this problem. The proposal is simple and ambitious. Go from an idea to a fully functional application with authentication and integrated payment in just a few minutes. No manual backend work, no endless setup. Deal? So let's get to the video. The tool I'm going to use today is Abacus AI Deep Agent. It's not just a code generator, but an autonomous development agent. You describe what you want to build, and it plans the architecture, creates the front end, the back end, the database, implements authentication, and even integrates payments, all within the same workflow. The idea of the test is straightforward. Create a simple website to sell a digital product and enable payments. So let's go. After clicking the link that will be down here in the description of this video, you will sign up here on the Abacus AI platform. Inside Deep Agent, the process is very simple. Just type your prompt, that is what you want to build, and this is the prompt I'm going to use. Create a modern landing page with a simple dark theme. Sell a digital product. In this case, my course about AI with 3 modules. Beginner, Basic, and Advanced. Include a clean main section, a price card, and a buy button. That's it. I'm going to send my command. From there, Deep Agent will ask some questions to know exactly what I want. What is he asking here? The name of the course, what the prices will be if I want additional information, and how my buy button will look. Then you just need to answer these questions and it will start creating your website. The first thing it does is create a project. In other words, those are the tasks it needs to follow to create your code and then deliver your website. Done. It's already finished, and look how cool my website turned out. So here, I have AI for everyone. Learn artificial intelligence from beginner to advanced with the most complete course on the market. I can choose the modules. Here I have the beginner module, the basic module, and the advanced module. Since this is just the base of my website, I need to add other things like, for example, add user authentication with email and password, create login and registration pages, and store the users in a database. It's that simple. I want to implement this to authenticate the user who will access my page. That's it. I'll send my command. And the coolest part is that my database is integrated with Deep Agent, so I don't need another service to store my data. And notice that it's already done building it here. I can log in. If I've already registered, or if not, I can sign up by clicking this button. Then I'll enter my name, my email, my password, and create my account. Once the account is created, I just log in. Now I'm already logged into the platform. Well, so I had the foundation of my site here. I managed to create an authentication system, but now I want to integrate a payment platform. Why? I want to monetize my courses that are here on the site, so I'm going to do the following. Integrate the Stripe checkout for the product. When the user clicks on buy, redirect them to the Stripe checkout page, and after the payment, return to a success page. So it's going to handle this integration so I can receive the payments. Oh, and here's something important. To use this payment system, you need to enter your API key from Stripe, so you'll sign up on the platform, create an account, they'll give you an API key. Then you'll enter this API key here. Why? Because Deep Agent needs to know who to direct this payment to. This only happens through your API key. So you paste it here, and Deep Agent will automatically handle all this integration for you. Done. It's already finished setting up the payment system. But for us to test it, we need to deploy. Why? Since I have an external service, I'll need this deploy to see if everything is working properly. And it's very simple. Just click here on deploy. You'll give your site a name here. There will be this extension here, abacus.app, and then just click here on deploy. Once the deploy is done, click the link, once again, pay with Stripe. And that's it. I'm already here on my Stripe page. Now I just need to enter my email, my credit card number, full name, and country. When I click here to pay, this money will automatically go into my Stripe account. So this is a really cool, really smart way for you to monetize anything on the internet, because everything happens right here inside Deep Agent. So all you need is to have an idea, bring it to life, bring it here to the tool, talk to the artificial intelligence, and integrate it with the database that works here inside Deep Agent. And then, if you want to monetize, just enter your API key here. And then, when you publish your site, you'll be able to make money from this idea that you didn't even know you could bring to life. Cool, right? In just a few minutes, I created a landing page, a login system, a database, and real integration with Stripe. In the traditional model, this could take hours or even days, depending on your level of experience. Here, the flow was basically describing the idea, automatic execution, and an app ready to test. This completely changes the way creators and entrepreneurs can validate their projects. So that's it. If you've ever tried to integrate Stripe manually, you know the level of frustration that can come up in that process. Seeing an agent organize the backend, authentication, and payment almost by itself shows the stage that artificial intelligence has reached in software development. To learn more, just click the link in the description or in the first pinned comment. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.